Meet the glasswing butterfly, nature's transparent wonder. These butterflies are unique with their see-through wings. They can blend into their surroundings to escape predators. Look closely. Their wings are more than just beautiful. These butterflies are found in Central and South America. They feed on nectar from various flowers, just like others. Their transparent wings help them avoid being seen. Isn't nature fascinating? Let's appreciate these beauties. If you love butterflies, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing nature videos.